is done. So before last class, we have written that GUI test cases, right? Now, functional test cases we need to do. For functional test cases, see, for each and every option, 3 combinations we are going to write. So, entering valid data, entering invalid data, and without entering any data. And for any application, you need to check application will work based on mouse events and based on functional event. For this, let's see one example. Here, first name field is there. That first name field, alphabets is the valid data, numbers is the invalid data. See, if I enter numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, if I click on tab order, see, I use it, my mouse is somewhere else here. I use a tab order. Immediately at the bottom, it says invalid first name. Okay, this is one style. Now let's see. That application style is one style. Now, one more style of application. Let's see. Here, I enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also numbers are the invalid data. If I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, see, my mouse is somewhere else. I clicked on tab order. Did you got any error message at the bottom? Yes,
No.
Mukta?
No.
When you use tab order, no error message displays like invalid first name because numbers are the invalid. See, when I'm clicking on save button, here it says invalid first name. This is one style of application and this is one style of application. So it is working based on mouse events. With the help of tab order, it is working. Tab or mouse events, it is working. See, it is working based on the functional event. Once you click on save button, then only it will respond. Not for the tab and mouse. This is the application style which is decided by the developer. We don't know what kind of style is used in coding side. Test cases are our reference purpose. So we are assuming and we are writing the test cases. Once the build is ready, while executional time, we can change our flow. We can change the flow. Is this point is clear?
So what's this called now? Style, application style?
No, application functionality. So
Okay.
application will work based on mouse event functionality, based on functional event functionality. Okay. Functional event means clicking on the button. Then it is responding. Mouse
Okay.
event means tab or mouse pointer. If you click, it will respond. Okay. Is this point is clear, all of you?
Yes.
Subha?
Yes. Can you explain me one more time? Divya?
Okay. One thing, Subha, you didn't miss anything related to the test cases. You missed about the types of test cases concept.
Okay.
And test you missed. So you need to remove one word from your mind, like because of last class, today is you are not getting anything. That point you remove from your mind. Okay.
Okay.
Because it is entirely different concept. So last class we discussed about GUI test cases. Are you there on that time?
Yes.
Long back, day before long, that some other day, I am not remembering the day because of our, we are taking some in the
Was
middle.
Yes, yes. I was
on
there.
Friday.
Yeah, on was Friday. Thank you, dear. So Friday we discussed about GUI test cases. Now test cases are two types, GUI and functional. Now functional test cases, with doing some actions, you are going to test it. Okay.
Okay.
For each and every combination, you're going to write the for each and every option, 3 combinations of test cases you need to do. Entering valid data, entering invalid data, and without entering any data. This process we are doing.
Okay.
Before doing this process, I'm talking about application style, how it is responding. This is one application. In this, when you enter invalid data, If you enter invalid data, if you click on tab or mouse pointer, basically error message should display. But here it is not displaying. See. Now where is my cursor blinking?
In the middle.
Only Subha,
In the middle name.
middle name. When I'm clicking on mouse pointer also in the middle name, but no error message. When I click on save button, then it says error message. Enter in first name, invalid first name. When you click on it, this process of the application style is functional event.
Okay.
And mouse event means when you click on mouse pointer, immediately some applications will displays the error messages like this. Please concentrate here only. Don't think about all. See, I'm entering invalid data. Now immediately see, my mouse is somewhere else. I clicked on tab. At the below it says invalid first name. This is one style. Which style is given by developer? We don't know. We are assuming and we are writing the test cases of functional. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, Vidya.
Fine. Now,
Yes, yes.
fine. GUI test cases are done. Now functional test cases. Count is normal, 8th. Now go to your requirement documentation. Requirement document. Agent name is there, next field. This field should allow alphabets of minimum 5 and maximum 8 and it should not be left empty. Agent name. So now next field is agent name. Here. Test case underscore 2.1 underscore agent name. Positive. 3 combinations you need to do. Here for agent name, what we are doing here is, let's see, 3 combinations. In that one combination is positive. So how you're going to test it means, see, first I'm going to explain you one way. Now any application, same way you're going to do it. Any application. You're entering valid data as Vidya. What is valid data in coming class we will discuss. You click on tab, cursor is blinking. You click on mouse pointer, cursor is blinking. All functionalities you need to check it. For agent name, all combinations you need to check it. If you click on help button, message is displayed. If you click on OK button, one message called please enter password because adjacent field is required. If you click on clear button, it should get closed. This is all combinations. So here let's see. Enter valid data in agent name field and click on tab order. Mouse pointer also you need to click. All combinations. Click on help button. Cancel button and OK button. These are all combinations. So let's see. For tab and mouse pointer, cursor should blink on next field. Whatever field it is, you need to say next field. Next column for help button. See the requirement. What is given for help button? Cancel and help button. See the requirement. Could you please explain?
The
Could you
met
please make your voice as still louder?
Yeah, it should pop up a message like the password is small query.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whatever data you enter, if you click on
Okay.
help button, a pop-up message should display, right?
Yeah.
Now, let's see. Copy that option. For cancel button, application should get close. For OK button, pop-up message should display. We are assuming we don't know what style is given. Like, please enter password. For OK button. Select all, click on merge cell so that it will coming into the single option. This is for valid data. Read it and let me know. Yes?
Yes.
Is it clear? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
So
Aman?
why that C column is empty?
C column is
Yeah,
what?
it's clear to me. Thank you.
What C column, dear? I didn't get you.
Test suite ID. Okay.
That later we'll discuss. First concentrate this. What is did you understand this point? Please tell me.
Okay.
I told you now later we'll discuss the one which you highlighted with yellow color. Only you concentrate those options only. That we are using first.
Okay.
You enter valid data in age and name field. When you clicked on so and so, what is the application response is this. Now, is this point is clear?
Yes.
Subha,
Yes.
fine. Now test case underscore 2.2 underscore age and name only. For what? For invalid data, negative data. What is valid, what is invalid, later we'll discuss. So, here, enter invalid data in age and name field. Then you need to click on tab order, mouse pointer, help button, OK button. These are all the options you need to do. So, here, for tab or mouse pointer, same procedure. Whatever data we enter, for tab or mouse pointer, cursor should blink. For help button, because as per the requirement, for help button also, whatever data you enter, it should respond. For cancel button, application should get close. Here you enter invalid data. So for invalid data, if you enter invalid data here, pop-up message should display. For OK button, pop-up message should display like, please enter valid data, because it is invalid. You are concentrating only on age and name field only. All combinations based on the age and name field we have tested now. If you're having any doubts here, you can ask me. Check it out and let me know. Yes, take your time, no problem. Because if you understand this application testing, remaining all will be the same only. Once it's done, let me know.
Hi, Vidya.
Yes.
Um, you know, as you mentioned earlier, that you said, it totally depends on application style. So it could be based on mouse event or functional event. So on agent name field, after you put, after you enter the invalid data, would it, you know, so would it change? Like, is it going to be after OK button, or as soon as you put the invalid data on the um, agent name? So would it be like two different things, as you mentioned?
No, no. Two different things we should not write. We need to assume one thing. Example, here I assumed only functional event and I have written.
Okay, okay, I got it.
Maybe once the application is released, it is working based on the mouse event.
Okay,
Immediately I need
but
to change it.
okay, this is as per assumption, but while we're
Yes.
working in our real project, it could be either of them, right? Either one.
In real project also same thing. In this way only you have to write. Then you are modifying the test cases. Test case, once the application is ready, on that time if it is not responding with a functional event, immediately mouse event you are changing the test cases.
Yeah, okay, okay, I got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
This
Thanks.
is our reference purpose. This is our location test cases. So
Okay,
you have to change your test cases once the application is released. One first way you are assuming and you have written this one style.
okay, thank you. Yeah.
Fine. Now test case underscore 2.3 underscore agent name only negative blank, positive, negative and blank. Now leave agent name field as a blank and click on tab order, mouse pointer, click on help button, cancel button and OK button, all combinations. So here agent name is valid, means mandatory option. So for tab and mouse pointer, for help button, whatever data you enter or without entering data also, functionality of the help and cancel button will be the same. Now for OK button, message should display. Please enter agent name. This is called blank. Only one field, these many combinations, you are going to write it. These many combinations. 3 combinations. Entering valid, entering invalid without entering any data. This is valid, invalid and without entering any data. Yes? Is that clear?
Yep.
Yes, it is clear.
Fine. Now next. One combination for one field is done. Second field is what? Password. Go to your requirement document, password. This field should allow only alphabets of 7. So let's see. Now individual field testing you are doing. See, first this style. Now this is done. You are working on last name example. Last name. enter valid data. You click on tab order. Cursor is moving. You click on save button. See what happens. It says first name field is mandatory. First you use that one. Individual fields we are testing. It says enter first name. Even if you enter invalid data also, it says the same thing. Enter first name only. Why? Because first name is a mandatory field. First it will come back to the first name, then it will ask. So this is the correct procedure. If it is not asking the first name, here the application is wrong. This field is not working. The reason is field is not working. So let's see. In this style, here also. So this is your application. Now you are working. Forget about agent name. You are working on password. You enter valid data. You click on tab order. Cursor is moving on to the next option. And when you click on help button, password is Mercury. Click on cancel button, it will get close. If you click on OK button, it says please enter agent name first. This is the correct procedure because adjacent field is mandatory. Adjacent field is mandatory. Now let's see. So here for password I'm talking. Test case underscore password positive. That too 2.1. So here 3.1 underscore. Same flow. 2.1 here, 3.1 here. Who is going to try it out in my system by viewing top option? Anyone in the class? Aman, will you try? Aman, Mukta, Radha,
Sure.
who is ready? Radha?
I can.
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm giving
Okay.
the keyboard option to you.
Uh-huh.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Rest of the team, you guide her.
Okay.
Now password, guess it and write down. I will correct you.
Okay. I'm not able to write down in your system.
Now you try it out.
Okay. Just a moment. Yeah.
Yeah. Subha and Mukta, check it out. Aman, check it out what our friend is doing. Why you are leaving field first? Enter valid data, na? First option.
Okay. Yes.
First valid data, invalid data, then blank.
Valid data.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you do it. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
I think please enter password, right?
No, I think we wrote down the password, so we left the agent name blank. So I don't know. I assume like that. So it should be password.
If
We
you
have
click on the
entered.
help button, then it should be password.
Click on the help button, yes, but what about the password is Mercury, yes, the cancel button application should get closed, or OK button. This is the fourth column you are talking about, Mukta?
No, no, the last one also. I thought like uh,
The pop-up message should display like please enter the agent name.
mm,
I don't know, maybe.
can
Vidya,
you
are you
scroll
there?
it up? Can you scroll it up, please?
Yeah, sorry. Wait just a moment.
No, it's just the functionality, so it should be like, please, I mean, it should be password, not the agent code, because that's the functionality of OK button. If we don't put it, then, it would be that, right? Please enter password.
Um, the functionality, but I think, okay. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, we can ask Vidya.
Okay, yeah, yeah, I'm just leaving like that. We can ask Vidya, yeah.
Okay, sure. No problem.
Yeah, this will be same, right? Like what we run it here.
Enter invalid data.
Yeah, yeah, good. Thank you. I need down password. Yeah. tab and mouse pointer cursor should blink on the next cell for help button. Help button, yes. And application should get close, yes. And here for OK button. Pop-up message will display like please enter the agent name or please enter a valid password name. I think both, or what do you think? What do you guys think? Can you hear me,
Yeah, I
guys?
can, but I don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
The first name should be given. I guess the first name, because she the same when she like entered the wrong password, but like the pop-up message was to enter the first name. So first name, as the first name is mandatory, so you have to enter the first name first of all.
Okay. Okay. Even I'm thinking the same, because first it comes the agent name, then it comes the password. So let's see. Vidya, are you there? No.
Hello?
Yeah, Vidya, you're there? Yeah.
Yeah. I told you, I'll be back.
Okay. So,
Okay, just give me the control. I will see what you written. Later, I will
okay.
change the control. Give me the control.
Okay.
So, valid data in password field and click on tab, mouse, tab or mouse pointer. Okay, help button. Okay, cancel button. Pop-up message should display like please enter agent name.
Is that correct? Like the
Good,
for OK
good.
button? Okay.
Yes, good. For tab or mouse pointer. Okay.
So this one will also says like please enter the
Please
agent name
enter the
because
agent's first name or
yeah,
agent's
Yeah.
name.
For agent name, because here it is agent name, Nadia.
the
Okay, I got the Aman's voice now. I can hear you. What happened? So agent name only.
No,
Here whatever
as in the only not the first agent first name or agent name.
agent
agent.
name. Because here agent name is given, right? Why first name? Agent name you can use it. Next field you can, no need to use the next field onwards. Here first name field you can use it. First
Okay,
name is, this is the first name, dear. Why
okay.
you are doing this one? Not this, na?
Mhm.
We are working on agent name, this application.
Okay.
Okay? So
Okay.
agent name, whatever you written, good, correct.
Okay.
Now next, Subha, you tell me. Leave. Yeah, Subha.
Yes.
Leave password field as blank. Same combination. So this is for positive, negative and test case underscore 3.3 underscore password blank.
Vidya, I'm still a little confused
Okay, where?
on the password. Because on OK button we said pop-up message should be displayed like please enter agent name. You know, if we were like if we had already put agent name, and if we were
No,
working on
no, that
password.
is other case. Individual field first you are writing, then group fields. Enter validate and all fields, click on OK button. Enter invalidate all fields, click on OK button. Group testing is different. Next level we are writing. First individual field only you are testing. Here only individual fields, then finally group all fields as a blank. See, this is the application which you are gonna do. So
On
first,
3.2, are we not working on password?
yeah, we are working now. We have written test case.
No, I
pointer
thought
like
why we are still saying, I don't know, maybe I didn't understand the concept, why we are still saying that please enter agent name instead of
okay.
password.
See, you are working on password. Okay.
Right.
Enter valid data. I entered valid data. When I click on OK button,
Mm-hmm.
it says please enter agent name. Why? Because it is mandatory field
Oh, okay.
as per the requirement.
If we had like put negative password but with agent name, will it would we supposed to say that check on the password, or how does it work?
Yeah, it will says check on the password.
Okay.
But don't put the negative value on, don't put the value on agent name. Individual field, first you are testing, then group testing. First I tested agent name only with all combinations. Then forget about agent name.
Okay.
Password with all combinations. Then
Okay.
enter valid data in both the fields. Click on OK button. Enter invalid data in both the fields. Click on OK button. Then group testing.
Okay. Okay. Group testing. Okay. All
Got
right.
it?
Yeah, got it.
Fine. Now here I am entering invalid data 1, 2. Actually, if you click on here if you click on OK button, it says please enter agent name, even though invalid data. Example, if you return some data here, then if you click on OK button, obviously it says, okay, I made it
Okay.
here. If you click on some negative data and password is 1, 2, if you click on OK button, it says password must be at least 4 characters long. Some
Okay.
error message it will display.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
that
got
is a group testing.
it. Okay.
Fine. Now leave password field as a blank so and so. So here, because password is also required field. For tab and mouse pointer, same thing. For tab, help and cancel. Help and cancel, why it is working in this way means because as per the requirement, they asked whatever data you can enter or you may not enter also same combination. And for OK button, here you leave password. So even though it will ask what, Mukta?
Um, Still ask, please enter agent name.
Yeah. So pop-up message should display like enter agent name. This is for individual fields. Now group testing. Group testing. Let's see. Group testing means OK button. Now go to your requirement. Agent name and password is done. Now OK button. If you enter valid data, if you click on OK button, it should navigate to corresponding page called flight reservation page. So for valid data. Now let's see. Here. Enter valid data. What is valid, what is invalid? In next class we will discuss. Enter valid data. I clicked on OK button. It is navigating to next page. Now I enter invalid data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and so and so. Click on OK button. Message is displaying incorrect, invalid data like this. If you leave both the fields as a blank, click on OK button. It says please enter agent name because both the fields. Enter some fields as data, some fields as a blank, click on OK button. Message is displaying. Again reverse order. Some fields as data, some fields as blank, click on OK button. Message is displaying. Both the fields as a blank also message is displaying. Like this all combinations you are going to write it here. While executing you will understand more clear.
Okay.
Here test case underscore 4.1 underscore OK button for positive data. Here enter valid data in all the fields and click on OK button. It should navigate to go to requirement. No need to write your own also. They will provide the information. It should navigate to corresponding page called flight reservation page. Here. Corresponding page. or window you can say. Because it is web based, Windows based corresponding flight reservation window. Here 4.2. This is for negative. Enter invalid data in all the fields and click on OK button. Click on OK button. Here pop-up message should display. Like please enter valid data. Now group field, see 4.3 underscore OK button blank. Here all combinations I am writing, see. Leave all fields as a blank and click on OK button. Leave some fields as a blank. And some fields as some data. The data can be positive or negative, invalid data. Some fields as a blank, some fields as data, and click on OK button. Click on OK button. So here let's see if it is required field. A message should display. Like please enter data. If it is not required, field, it should move on to the next level. Next level, while executional time, you will understand what is that next level. Now all of you just check it out and let me know if you're having any doubt here. Yes?
Vidya, I have a doubt.
Mm-hmm.
Hello? Yeah, so
Yes,
in the
yes.
OK button, if you are putting some invalid data, entering invalid data, then the pop-up message should display like please enter valid data or please enter the agent name, like in the project which we are doing. Like please
For
enter
OK,
the.
invalid data, please
Mhm.
enter valid data because all fields you said, na? Enter invalid data in all fields, not only agent name.
Yeah, but it will first read the agent name, right?
Yes, it will read the agent name.
Oh,
Where individual field testing, it will read the agent name. So group testing is there. So we don't know what kind of style is given. See, for example,
okay.
observe one
Mhm.
more style of application
Okay. Oh,
here. Just
yes,
observe
got
you.
it. Okay. 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 Yeah.
This again it will see here it will says
Mm-hmm.
enter valid data like this.
Mm-hmm.
All combinations at a time it will says.
Say. Mm-hmm.
Individual it
Mm-hmm.
may not says. So for group testing, individual field is one way. This is another
Mm-hmm.
way.
Yes.
In
Yes.
this way
Yeah.
it may
Got
give.
it. Mm-hmm.
In this way it may reply you. So that
Mm-hmm.
is the reason we assumed and we have written again.
Okay.
Once the application is ready, then all this expected results will get changed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got it.
Fine. Now next, OK button is done. Help button. Test case underscore 5.1 underscore help button. Positive. Same style negative. For next two. Then third one is blank. Blank. Same style for cancel also. Later I will do, not now. First here. Enter valid data in all the fields. And click on help button. Enter invalid data. Let me save the file. Yeah. So enter invalid data and click on help button. This file today I will release to you. Now you start writing on calculator application test cases. Okay, then you will understand.
Okay.
So help button. Go to your requirement. Whatever data you entered, for help button, pop-up message should display like the password is Mercury. Here. All combinations are same. Now here cancel button. We are having a class, right? Cancel button.
That's okay with me, but I don't know about the rest of the class.
No, actually I missing the flow. This okay, tomorrow we don't have the class, right? This flow I'm
Right.
talking.
Yeah, we don't have class tomorrow, according
Yeah.
to that.
Yeah. According to this, no class, right? Again, next class is on
Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah. Little confusion. Maybe I need to habituated that steps. I'm getting some confusion. Now, cancel button. Go to your requirement. Whatever data you enter, application should get close. Just change the flow. Same thing we are doing in real time also. One test case you have written and the remaining all will be common. Cancel button. Cancel button. Here application should get close. So this is called all combinations of test cases. Today I'm releasing these notes to you. All combinations. Just check it out and let me know. Okay. These are all your test cases. Continuity is there on Thursday class. Okay, team. With this, today I'm ending up the session for now. So this file I'm releasing. I hope I released complete notes to you people.
Yeah, today you sent us a.
Vidya, what do you mean by complete notes? Does it carry all the previous notes and the including like the following day as well?
Yeah, did you check your email?
I did, and it seems
Yeah, I
like
have
this
checked,
is
but
the one.
it carry all the previous and the
Yeah, at a
following
time
day
I'll
as
send
well.
to you. Yeah, that is the complete notes. How many files you got
So
it?
I think these are the ones, you already sent it before.
in the email, I guess 5 files are there.
Okay, already I sent, but I'm not remember whether I did or not. Just I send one more time for safe side. If you are already there, remove it, ignore it. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
if notes is there, just ignore it.
Okay.
So you send the complete. You sent the previous file couple of days back. So the file you sent yesterday carry more notes or like it is the same you sent earlier?
PDF file will be the carry same. If any extra files are there, you download that one. Or else ignore all previous one. You can download this now. What happened to that? Just open it and you will get to know. Open the file,
Because
you will
I
get to
just
know.
have printed out previous one and I was just
Yeah, yeah,
having
same
sitting
thing.
and
No change.
telling, but I
No, no,
didn't get a
same.
chance to tally all.
Aman, yeah, no change, same thing. Same thing. Don't take it
Okay,
again.
okay,
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 fine.
okay.
Vidya, are we
So,
doing any assignment on calculator with this cases?
yeah, write down the test cases for calculator. If you completed your review report.
Hello, Vidya.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, today I prepared the review report and sent you. You check that?
Okay. Okay. Minimum 1 day time it will take there. I'm having some little works in my office, so I can't get the chance to review. Today I will check it out. Anyhow, tomorrow you don't have the class now. I will provide to you. Okay.
Okay, Vidya. Okay.
For you and other students also send, I think. I'll check it out and I'll give the replies.
Okay, Vidya.
Okay. Okay then. So day after tomorrow, continuation class, execution, test data preparation. Okay.
Okay.
Okay
Okay.
then.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.